Gutesa, siguro alam ni Yuse kung nasan si Gutesa.
Bakit mo naman sa akin ibibintang? Baka kayo may alam. Total, kayo
hindi
naman
ko alam
yata
kasi,
may kakilala dyan.
Hindi, ikaw ang nasa gobyerno eh.
Pero teka lang, sino ba nag-present sa kanila?
Hindi ko alam kung sino nag-present. Please do not accuse me.
Hindi ko may nag-present dyan. Baka kaalyado nyo nag-present dyan.
Hindi. Ayan ang propaganda. Biro mo ang assertion mo, ako kasama.
Ba't mo hinahanap sa akin? Baka alam mo.
Alam mo, pag ikaw ang Estado, never mind.
Well, let's
I respect this show. I do not want to go to the gutter.
So don't start kasi. You're putting something to me.
But you are representing government.
But still, bakit ko malalaman? Hindi ako nag-present dyan. Bakit mo sa akin ipapaturo
You can
sa akin
always
na
say
malamang
it
alam
in a
ko?
very nice way without
You don't have to
insulting
start.
people.
You don't have to
Excuse
start.
me.
Excuse me.
You don't have to start.
Ganito po. Let's ask na lang each one. Do we have any information from either end? Any information from either end of where he is? And
No, I don't know. There was someone who told me that he is in the custody of government, agencies of government, including the family.
including the family.
Including the family. So, do I know for certain? No, it was relayed to me. Am I part of the scheme that some people would say I am part? I am not. I am just an ordinary citizen who loves this country and would like to comment on certain things.
Tinanong natin yan sa Marines eh. At sinabi nila na wala sa kustodiya nila, walang nakakaalam. Siguro ang dapat na natin tanong si Mike Defensor.